Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best jewelry making kit is probably one of the most versatile and rewarding hobbies you can pick up, allowing you to express your creativity and craft unique pieces that reflect your personal style. Whether you're a beginner looking to explore a new craft or an experienced artisan seeking a convenient way to access a variety of supplies, these kits offer a fantastic starting point. Imagine the satisfaction of designing and creating your own earrings, necklaces, bracelets, and more, all from the comfort of your home, with everything you need conveniently packaged together. Number 5. Just My Style ABC Beads by Horizon Group USA. Dive into creativity and make over 40 unique accessories. You can follow the instructions to learn how to craft bracelets, braids, and even a personalized keychain. With over 1,000 beads and charms, the possibilities are endless. Mix and match them on the included cording to design your own jewelry and keychains. This kit makes learning fun by letting you spell out names, phrases, or words. Use the alphabet beads and charms to express yourself. Engage in a fun activity that also helps improve hand-eye coordination. It's a great way to encourage self-expression while you play. This comprehensive kit comes with elastic and wax cording, alphabet beads, neon beads, and colorful charms. You'll also find a key ring, satin cords, and easy-to-follow instructions to get you started right away. What we like? This kit is packed with over 1,000 beads and charms, perfect for spelling out names or phrases. If you love personalizing your accessories and want to improve fine motor skills, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The kit came with a great variety of colorful beads, including letter beads, which let us spell out names, fun words, and little messages. The string is strong but stretchy, and the beads slide on smoothly without frustration. There's lots of beads included to make lots of different designs. I personally love how many letter beads this kit includes, and the mix of letters is great. Number 4. PAXCOO Jewelry Making Supplies Kit. Discover the ultimate kit for all your jewelry making and repair needs. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to create stunning pieces. It includes 3 essential pliers, round nose, wire cutting, and chain nose. Designed with non-slip handles and double leaf springs, they ensure precision and comfort. You'll find 845 assorted jewelry findings, including jump rings, clasps, eye pins, and earring hooks, offering endless possibilities for your designs. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a beginner, this kit makes jewelry making and repairs effortless. It's ideal for necklaces, bracelets, and DIY projects. This all-in-one package contains pliers, copper wire, beading string, needles, tweezers, a caliper, and a handy zip pouch for easy storage and transport. A light oil coating protects the pliers from rust. Simply wipe them clean before use and reapply oil for storage to maintain their condition. What we like? It includes 3 essential jewelry pliers and a vast array of findings for repairs and creation. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution for jewelry repair or starting your beading projects, this kit has everything you need. What people say. It's a great value and has a lot of the needed supplies to make jewelry. The pliers are perfect fit. The quality is great for beginners and the findings is a great silver color. Contains wire, pliers, measuring tape and various hardware for jewelry making. Comes in canvas zippered case. Hold all the tools nicely. I love it for my little jewelry making and repairs. Exactly as pictured. Number 3. Pinwheel Crafts Pendant Jewelry Making Kit. Spark imaginative fun with this all-in-one jewelry making kit. It includes everything needed to create endless combinations of necklaces and bracelets she'll love to wear or gift. Encourage creativity and skill building with this easy-to-use kit. Step-by-step instructions ensure success, fostering confidence as she turns ideas into masterpieces. Craft memories together with this charm jewelry making kit. It's a great bonding activity for the whole family, creating custom pieces and unforgettable moments. This kit is designed for independent crafting, offering the joy of making something beautiful. It encourages hands-on learning and provides hours of engaging, screen-free entertainment. Made with non-toxic glue and durable parts, this kit ensures worry-free fun. It's perfect for kids to explore their creativity while making beautiful pendants. Looking for an inspiring present? This jewelry set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a thoughtful choice for anyone who loves crafting. What we like. This kit allows for over 200 unique designs with its trays and cabochons. If you're looking for a craft that builds confidence and is perfect for sharing with family, this is a fantastic option for creative kids. What people say. The instructions are clear and easily understandable. The paracord is quite durable, that is why I chose this kit. The kits come with ample shells and decorations. Number 2. Dupamind Friendship Bracelet Making Kit for Girls. Discover a fun and creative way to design your own custom bracelets. This kit is packed with colorful straps, letter beads, and charms to inspire endless possibilities. Choose from 4 vibrant strap colors to mix and match. Create unique pieces that are perfect for gifting or wearing to any occasion. Make each bracelet special with customizable letter beads and charming icons. Spell out names, create friendship messages, or design bracelets that truly express personality. This kit makes an ideal present for birthdays, parties, holidays, and more. It's a wonderful activity for girls who love to create their own accessories. Made with high-quality, non-toxic materials, this kit ensures a safe and enjoyable crafting experience. It's perfect for solo projects or fun group activities. Enjoy hours of fun creating DIY bracelets together. It's a fantastic way for parents and kids to bond and create lasting memories. What we like. With 4 vibrant strap colors and customizable letters and charms, this kit is all about personalization. If you love creating unique friendship bracelets to gift or wear to parties, this is a fun and engaging choice. What people say. The perfect sized beads for 3 to 5-year-olds with a variety of colors and shapes. Great gift for my 6-year-old. Helps with coordination, spelling, color matching. And most of all, it's a lot of fun. I saw high quality, meaning it would be durable and she could use it for a long time. Number 1. Flasoo Charm Bracelet Making Kit. Discover the joy of crafting your own unique bracelets with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need to get started on your jewelry making journey. Inside, you'll find an abundance of charms, beads, and chains. Create personalized pieces that truly reflect your style. Packaged in a beautiful gift box, this set makes a wonderful present for any DIY enthusiast. Give the gift of creativity and personalized style. With a wide variety of charms like stars, hearts, and rainbows, the design options are limitless. Mix and match to create a look for every mood and occasion. Making and customizing your bracelets is simple, requiring no special tools. You can easily swap out beads to match your outfit or create a new look every day. Crafting these handmade pieces is a fun and rewarding experience. Create heartfelt gifts for friends and family that express your best wishes. What we like. This kit offers great value with 85 pieces, including easy-to-use bracelets and a beautiful gift box. If you're looking for a meaningful handmade craft gift or enjoy the process of mixing and matching beads for a stylish look, this is a perfect pick. What people say. It comes with 5 bracelets that screw together and tons of beads you can use to create a look. The beads can easily be removed and changed around for a new look. Lots of fun charms to choose from. It's really great that the end clip unscrews so the charms can be changed out. The items inside are top-notch. This is the second one I am buying my granddaughter because she has made so many bracelets for her friends and cousins. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.